Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita Sharma and please subscribe, like my video. So today we are gonna do is put on some rollers. Yes, actually my hairs are not so curly and little bit scanty, so my type of hair sometimes when I'm going out needs a little bit curls and a little bit straightening. If you want, whatever, I can do both. Sometimes if I want the straightening look, I do it straightening, and sometimes if I want curly look, I do some curls, and it hardly takes some 5 minutes or something, but I'm gonna show you today. Since it's a lockdown, cannot go out, so let's do a little bit some time pass over here. So I hope you're getting this. Whoa, what's happening? Five minutes. It just takes hardly 5 minutes just to put this roller up. And I have more rollers, so we will do it backside also. So we are gonna do a little bit of blow drying. You can see here, not too much, little bit here, and of course we'll do the other side also. Not too much heavy blow drying. Now's the time to remove this rollers. If you can see here. Oh, wow. You can see here. We are going to do it, all the rollers, we are going to remove it. Can you see this bounce? Yes. Just how it looks, it gives a shape. And if you put a little bit of serum and you take care of our hairs, good conditioner, it gives the shine also. And it's very nice if you go out and in the roller itself. So basic idea is to we are gonna remove all this. Yes, and it has to. These are very easy. So let's do it. I'll come back. With the rollers, and now we just, if you want to brush, you can just brush it, or just leave it like that. And you see the bounce. Yes. Nice. So I hope you like this look, and be at home, be safe. Please subscribe. See you. Bye bye.